Hello, my name is Inês and welcome to Makerble. In this video, I will show you how to create a new project on Makerble.com. You should start by logging in with your Makerble account. You are now on your home page. Let's assume that you already created a charity on our website. If you don't have one yet, you should start by doing that. Take a look at the video that explains you how to create a charity if you need any help. Click on the Create Project button at the top of the My Project box. This will take you to your charity dashboard. Scroll down until you see Projects and click in here. Once you are in the new page, you can add all of the details about what your project does. Start by writing the project title, which is what people will refer to when talking about your project. I'll call this the St. John's Orphanage. Then add the location where your project will take place. I will write London in mine. You can ignore the Donate Directly box, since people are not able to do that at the moment. You can also ignore the Opportunity box. You should explain how your solution works. This will tell what is the work you do in response to the problem that you're solving. This is my solution. There are some fields that don't need to be filled. You can skip why this is an issue which needs to be addressed now, your relevant credentials and passion, and your commitment to openness. You should always add an image to your projects, as this makes them more visually enjoyable and much more engaging. It's important to indicate the general causes your project is working on. Mine is children and youth. For each cause, you have a choice between several sub-causes in order to be as specific as possible. You don't need to fill them if you're not sure about what to write in them. There's no need to write a thank you message, but our system does want you to. So add a full stop in each box and you're good to go. This is a tricky part of the form. You can choose who's going to be the editor and the reporter of your project. The difference between those two roles is that editors can create stories about the project and edit the project itself. Reporters only can write stories. You can ignore the budget section because you will not need them at the moment. Concerning the templates, this part is pretty much up to you. You can use one of the existing templates on the lists, or you can create one from scratch. We advise you to contact the Makerble team to help you create a template that suits your needs. If you are not sure about what to do, just skip this field and think about it later. Tags are keywords you write down here that help us dealing with your project. So for instance, for this project, you can add children and orphanage. However, you don't need to fill them. You also don't need to fill the related interest box. Well, we've reached the end of the project creation. Now you just have to press Save Changes, and you're good to go. Your project is now created. Here is your charity dashboard, and here is your project. Every time you want to add a new one, you can just go to your charity dashboard, scroll down, and click in the Add Project button. If you go back to your home page, you will now be able to see your project on your left side above the My Project section. If you click on the project name, you'll be redirected to its own page, where you can find all the details you added. So now you know how to create a project on Makerble. We are currently working to improve our user experience. So if you want to share your feedback, get in touch with us and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching and don't hesitate to get stuck in. Bye!